This is a News Channel Nebraska special report.
Brandon Aksamit with you for another Your University Minute on News Channel Nebraska. Well, with many high school seniors finalizing their college plans for the upcoming year, we sat down with University of Nebraska President Ted Carter to find out what the university is doing to attract students and bring new talent to the state. So, President Carter, you said enrollment is an all-hands-on-deck effort for the university. Why is it so important for this to be a priority across the entire system?
Well, it's so important in the state of Nebraska. I mean, we graduate about 25,000 high schoolers a year, and we have historically done very well bringing a high percentage of those high schoolers to our four main campuses. There's about 80,000 open jobs in the state today, and most of those are really high-skill types of jobs, and you're only going to be able to fill some of those jobs with a four-year degree.
And what are some things that you are doing specifically to be more competitive in student recruitment?
Well, first and foremost, we want to make sure that we're serving Nebraskans. About 80% of our overall 50,000 student body is from the state of Nebraska. But that other 20% is a group that we want to pay attention to. For example, out at University of Nebraska at Kearney has been very, very popular, bringing students in from all of the other 49 states. UNO has announced a new program for 10 surrounding states to try to attract them, and we're even doing this at UNL. So we're trying to make sure that we are available for everybody.
And lastly, let's talk scholarships. What ideas do you have for creating more incentives for students to come to the university?
Well, we don't want to forget that the top students here in the state of Nebraska, this is still a great destination for them. For those students that have an ACT score of 33, 34, all the way up to 36, we're trying to find more incentives to want to make them come here with a total cost of attendance type scholarship, which Governor Pillen has been talking about. We've got some work to do there, but we're going to really go after those top students.
This is a News Channel Nebraska special report.